do wonder if these guides actually like it if I throw some snow at them. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to yet another video. BMW is sending me to Sölden, Austria.
Exactly
this road. To drive this one on ice. So first they sent me to Berlin for the world premiere of the new BMW GS, and now I'm going to Austria. Here we go again. I'm in Austria, in Innsbruck. Shit looks really awesome here, and can't find my cab. I did it again. We did it again! Yet again, I end up like in airports where nobody is. Can't find my cab. I don't know. Turns out there's like one group over here, just one group, and that's the BMW group. Now last time BMW booked me an Audi. Would be funny if they booked like a Mercedes taxi now. Aww.
My name is Jeff.
5 minutes later.
Oh, it's over there.
Yeah. So you have to sit this.
Oh, so I come down?
It says your room number here. It's this
Oh,
part.
down there.
Yeah. So you know when you come out of the elevator. Over there is the spa. So when you see the spa, you just know you have to
Oh, yeah. Can we take this files?
Yeah.
Was it included?
Oh, the spa is always included. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, this is a very cool hotel.
Yeah, it's big. This part actually didn't
Want to be on YouTube?
This part actually didn't belong to the hotel at first.
Just like really cool.
And it was locked.
Nice. Ooh, look at that. Oh, I feel so warm in here. BMW's really spoiling Uncle Smokey. Now that dinner was absolutely nice. I had a good lunch. I also found a mini bar. Yoink. I'm addicted to chocolate. Anyway, in 10 minutes we're going down. The party is about to start. The event is about to start. 15 minutes up the hill. It's time for some drifting.
It's not the best chocolate I've ever ate.
We see our remote controls. Let's pick a character. The good thing about Air Console is
Perfect.
It's chilly out there.
It's chilly?
Yeah. That's why I'm wearing this. I'm not going skiing. But...
And just like that, we are in a brand spanking new i5.
Short radio check just to make sure that you can hear me. That
Oh.
works. And as well, let's go. Our thumbs are all. Just check on the inside because it looks like two lady or gentlemen are still missing here. We don't want to let people.
So we got Sam Meyer in the car, and actually it just told me that James Bond movie was Spectre was actually recorded
This
here.
road, exactly
This road. Zip. Yeah, talking about crazy adventures, being on top at like, I have no idea, 2,600 meters with skiers going next to you, standing with these BMWs. Kinda gnarly though. Look at that view. And you wouldn't say it, because you probably can't see it, but at this moment I'm on the highest road in Europe. Now we're at like 2,600 meters high, and that road is covered in snow as hell. Yeah. Oh, calm down, Smokey. Calm down. This is kind of scary and pretty gnarly as well. Kind of like it though, not gonna lie. Snow from the Alps. It's caused an avalanche. I was actually kind of frightened, kind of scared, because we're actually riding on snow. This is not, I mean, this is actual snow. Look at that. This is like snow and ice. And we're not running on spikes. These are just rubber snow tires. I do wonder if these guides actually like it if I throw some snow at them. Can't even make snowballs with it.
Not really.
Now it is already getting dark, so me and Sam Meijer over here, we are getting our asses off the mountain. And I was playing with the digital screen, and it turns out it's not a very good idea to play with a digital screen if you're going down a mountain at 2,000 meters.
when it's getting a bit slippery.
It's getting slippery. It's getting very high. It's still very high. So, but look at this. This is actually kind of funny.
Incredible. My design? No. Where do we go? Switch modes. Yes, here we go.
Digital art. Look at that.
That's incredible. And sport mode.
Everything red? Everything red?
Off.
Oh yeah, everything
Bang.
red. Oh, traction control off. Let's do some drifting at a very high altitude.
Yeah.
No, we're not. No, we're not.
Great. Somebody farted in the elevator.
Anyway, that is that for day one. I'm tired as hell. See you in the morning.
Good morning.
That's a little bit too cold. Now we are back for day 2 at the mountain, and in today's version we're taking the diesel ones, and we're gonna do some augmented reality or something, and autonomous driving. Yeah, putting my life yet again in these BMWs. Now yesterday it wasn't that cold, so I was like, I'm gonna wear my Nikes and don't take my gloves. That was a bad mistake. It's a lot colder now.
South of France, in the Miramas, endurance test, and use this technology 20 years before.
So there is nobody in these cars. Look at that. Did we almost crash?
Was that normal?
That wasn't normal. We're just going to the airport. Thank you. Okay, driver, take me to the airport, please. Nice. Don't bump into those. We even did a little bit of drifting. Nobody in the car. It's just driving itself. Kind of scary though, on top of a cliff. Woo, that was close. Letting cars drive by themselves at the top of a mountain, an M3 and an iX, that's kind of scary. Really cool though. Let's have a little sneak peek inside. Look at that. It's a freaking robot in here. Golly. M3. Also love the fact that they use an M3 for this. Like not the cheapest version of the 1 series. No, an M3.
Okay.
Now, not sure if you can see that in the back, but there's like a giant glacier over there and over there. Glacier actually used to be on top and close to this tunnel, so there is not much glacier left because of global warming, of course. And fun fact, the BMW M3 is just standing there on idle, so it's actually melting that glacier indirectly right now. That's funny, right? Or not? I don't know. Anyway. Golly, look at that sight. Whew. Dang. Now we are back in the car, and actually this is a fun part. So it is fully covered in snow, and I can just floor it and drive between the cones. Look at that. Now I'm just gonna floor it. This is full pedal to the metal, and just go through the cones. Look at that. This is full pedal to the metal. Look, just go straight to the cones, and the BMW would take care of it. Look at that. Full throttle, pedal to the metal. That is nice. That is some nice technology. I'm getting very comfortable in snow right now. Yesterday I was really scared driving up this mountain in snow, and today after this experience I'm like, I feel actually safe. Nice. Hoo-wee. Check this out. M3 Tourings. XM's in the back. And with a view. Nice. Now the event is done, so I still have some time left. This is nice though. Really nice. Nice. Thank you so much again, BMW, for sending me to Austria. Awesome event, really loved it. And make sure you like this video, subscribe, and the next video is over there, and my favorite video is right over there. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Drive safe. See ya.